Are you looking forward to cut a subject out of photos on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily do it. Start by heading over to your photos or gallery. Once you're inside a gallery, move into any of the picture that you want to cut out the subject. Let's say you want to cut out the subject of this picture. What you need to do is simply tap and hold the subject that you want to cut out. You can see the options will appear. All you gotta do is click on copy. Once copied, now go back and head over to your application notes. Move into any of the page and then all you gotta do is tap on paste. And there you can see that the subject that you have cut it out has been pasted over here. Likewise, you can cut the subject of any of the photo that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.